In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit published posts on Substack the easiest way. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to your Substack home. This is your main hub where you'll oversee all your writing activities and where the editing magic happens. Once you're on the Substack home, focus your attention on the Posts section. You should see an option labeled Posts right there on your home page, so go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the area where all your published works are neatly organized. Once you're in, find and select Published. This step is quite crucial because it filters your view to show only the posts that have been made public, the ones you might need to tweak or update. In the Published section, you'll be greeted with a list of all your live posts. Take your time to scroll through and find the specific post you wish to edit. Look for a set of 3 dots next to the title of each post. This tiny menu button holds the key to your next steps. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu, which will reveal further options. Once you have clicked on those 3 dots, you'll see an option to Edit Post. Click on that, and you'll find yourself in the editable interface of your post where you can freely make any necessary updates and modifications. This is the space where you can correct typos, adjust content, or update any information with ease. The interface is designed to be flexible to accommodate all your editing needs. After you've made your changes, it's time to think about how you will update your audience. Click on Update, but hold on a moment before finalizing. You will be prompted to decide whether your post should be visible to everyone or restricted to only your paid subscribers. Consider who your audience is and make a choice that aligns best with your communication goals. You'll also have the option to decide who can comment on your post. You can open comments to everyone, restrict them, or turn them off completely, especially if the content is sensitive. Adding tags is another key step not to be overlooked. Tags help with the discoverability of your post. They categorize your content, making it easier for readers to find topics that interest them on Substack. If you're not ready to update right away or have a specific time in mind for the update, you can opt to schedule the update by simply clicking Schedule Time to Publish. But if everything looks good and you're ready to go live, clicking Update Now will implement your changes immediately. And there you have it. Your edits are now live, reflecting the improved version of your content. With these straightforward steps, you can refine your work on Substack with ease and confidence. Happy editing!